Hi, thanks for stopping by Accessorize Your Life. This is Julia, and today I want to bring you a short view of my Easter Sunday brunch table. It's nothing special. We just have a quiet brunch here at home, and later on in the day we'll go out for dinner. But I wanted to share with you how I set the table. I pull things from my home that I normally use, except for this runner that I just showed you. I picked up for $5, and the flowers, which you will see. I think they were about $10. I found them both at Ross. I added my old dishes, Temptations, and some maybe that I got years ago, possibly from Ross, silver placemats, and a white linen tablecloth. I did steam the tablecloth, but you still see folds in it. The champagne glasses were a gift from a friend. We will have mimosas in those. The water glasses are there. And if someone wants coffee, they can grab a mug. The little butterflies I picked up from Kmart years ago. They are salt and pepper shakers. And in this temptation bowl, it says, season all things with love. I plan to make a quiche, a spinach salad, and a fruit salad, and a carrot cake. And we'll have that to snack on for a few days. So nothing special, just a little share of my Easter Sunday brunch table. Very simple. It will just be myself, my husband, and my sons. I hope you enjoyed this short video. And always stop by and see what's going on and how I'm accessorizing my life. Please like, comment, or even subscribe. Happy Easter. And what I always say, your best accessory is your smile. Thank you for watching.